Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's just talk about how can you create the business cards inside Canva. So let's get right into it. Open your Canva account and just log in, and then you can simply search for the business card, and then you have to click on this, and you can have lots of free templates. You can just go for that. Doesn't have the pro option, and simply I'm just going to go for this one, and I'll just customize this. Alright, you can simply do changes. Say for law, and I'm a mechanical engineer. You can just simply add your contact number, email address, and your website if you have, and I will just shower KPK Pakistan, street number 101, right? And then you can simply go and just upload your company logo if you have any. If suppose I just wanna put on this logo over here, and let me just put it somewhere here like this, and then company logo. If for example I have a production automation company, right? And this is the CNC factory, right? So right, you can simply click on this, right click and go for delete page, and you can just click and animate. You can create any kind of animation that you want, and these are the basic one, and you can simply create any kind of animation. Once you're done with this, you can click on share and download it. Simply click on download as an MP4 file, and the file will be downloaded with you people. Best of luck. Thanks for watching.